Jesus. Jesus.
Relax.
When they kill you, they say relax.
Sorry. Sorry.
Stiff neck every minute.
Leg. Don't raise your leg. Sorry. Yeah, okay. Thank you. Thank you very much. Thank you.
No, you know, even from the fact that I didn't tell you the pressure point or where the pain was, and you could point where I needed, it's, already I feel some kind of release. I feel some kind of release. I feel, you know, the lock. I can feel the shift in the lock. So,
It's okay.
yeah, I will make it regular. It has to be.